Hello, Raider Nation. Wrong video. Hey guys, this is OneManOneCamera. Today is Friday, May 1st, about 12 noon, 91 degrees, and it's going to get windy pretty soon. All right, today we're down at the corner of Manhattan and Winchester. Take a look-see at the MSG sphere and what's going on. Now, it is pretty quiet. I don't hear any guys. I'm sorry, I always say guys. Apologies, ladies. I don't hear any of the team clanging and banging away on things. So, let's just move the camera around and see what we can see. Now check this out. Now to the left, pan left, pan left, pan left. I hear noises now. Let's just zoom in a little bit. Now you see that structure right there? That is the Wynn, I believe, the Wynn employee parking lot, okay? Now I've been up in there before, only once, because you shouldn't go up there if you're not an employee. And when I was there before, this MSG sphere was not nearly this high. I'll put a clip in right now. This is a nice, somewhat bird's eye view of the place. All right, it looks to be getting in shape quite nicely. Nice and circular. It's going to be a lovely facility once it's built. And I do hope, like I said, it stays packed, crowded, and adds a whole lot of benefits to the Las Vegas entertainment scene. All right, you guys, I am beat. So they are making progress on this massive structure. I would like to have some action shots in here of somebody working on something to add a little bit more to the video, but today we may be SOL, as the saying goes. But as you can see, it's a nice day today, and if you look down, straight down Manhattan, you can see Fontainebleau, in case you're wondering, and I believe they lost their funding, so they'll be in limbo again for a while. And to the left, I think that's one of those condo places, and then we have our Resorts World, and Encore, and the Wynn. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit. Zooming in. Okay, zooming in a bit. Get these framing things in here. I think those are aluminum, I believe. Now, I can hear some noise coming from the construction site. It sounds like some trucks or, backhoes or tractors, that sort of thing. But I don't hear anybody banging on anything. That's too bad. Now here's the thing. This street right here, Winchester, is private property, and I cannot go over there and film. I got booted out of there before when security guard told me, hey, listen, he said, you know what? You can film on Manhattan, no problem, but you cannot film over here on Winchester. I said, okay, no problem, and I moved along. All right, well, we're going to move up Manhattan a little bit and see what else we can see. All right, let's go. That guy is called the Broom Badger. Street sweeper. Hey. I guess try and get all the dust out of here, or rocks and pebbles that fall off the trucks. All right, who knows? We're going to move down that way, okay? All right, let's go. All right, move down Manhattan a little bit, and as you can see, just behind the MSG sphere, there is the Palazzo right there, and then to the left is the Venetian hiding behind that little tree. Catch the, we can see the last couple letters. All right, this structure could hold 18,000 fans across 9 levels of floors, and it's going to have, it's a sphere, right? It's going to be a ball. All right, great. It's going to be round, and the outside of the sphere. And the outside of the sphere will have these video screens as well as the interior. So for example, they could have a concert going on the interior of the place, and they can broadcast or show that same concert on the outside screens. And the screen's supposed to have excellent, excellent, not graphics, but clarity, which is the wrong word. But the, high definition, 4K or whatever, those are really, really clear. clearest by many, many times, so they say. Okay. Also, they'll have this haptic sound system, so the floor will vibrate to the music. Just think about when you use your cell phone. The price tag for this lovely structure vibrates
comes in at
something like that, but no smell-o-vision.
Billion dollars.
Like I said, no smell-o-vision,
some discussions
which really
about,
did disappoint me. All right, a while back, and they settled on that price, $1.66 billion, and it's hoped that it will bring numerous jobs to the area and increase some tax revenues. However, with this new stuff going on and the madness, people are worried about the future as far as large-scale events. I don't know, right, guys? I really, really don't know what's going to happen. But I hope it's a winner, this thing, because it does look pretty cool. That was the Broom Badger. Pretty cool name. Yeah. And just for some other sights around here you can see from this Manhattan street is if we, kick the tripod. If we go to the left, we can see the High Roller, or the Gambler, it's called the High Roller. And then we keep going. Oh, that's Caesar's. That's Caesar's? Or the Flamingo. I have my glasses on, you guys. Hey, all right. And then you keep going. And there's that Hilton building right there. They have nice bathrooms, okay? So I judge them as being a great place. And some other those other places to stay. One thing about Las Vegas, as it is relatively flat, you can see these structures from miles away. A clear shot of them. All right, let's move down some more. Okay, so I moved up north a little bit, so I'm closer to the end of the street, the corner of Sands and Manhattan. Just get more of a view of this place. Another crane. That's a better shot of that work area. There we go. I saw a photo from one of the news stations. I guess they took a chopper and flew over this place, and it's just it's just a big. Looks like a big hole in the ground, okay? So, which makes sense, right? Moved over to Sands Avenue. Check out the sign. A fully immersive programmable environment. Inside, outside. And audience capacity of over 20,000. Hey, all right. All this shoring up stuff. Like I said, I think that's aluminum. We got a crane laying on its side right here, just waiting to go back to work. Got this red guy over here. All right. Now, as I'm over here, I can hear more construction work going on inside. Maybe it's because how the wind is blowing. The wind is blowing north, and so I was off to the side of the construction site. So I presume the wind, pushed the sound waves away from me. All right, check this crane out. Have these weights on here to balance it. All right, how high do you go? Woo. All right, let's move down some more. Oh, so just so you know, this is Sands, and there is the monorail. Here's the monorail, goes way down there. And Sands runs into Twain, which goes to the east side of Vegas. We got one guy working on something. Looks like there's a, sounds like he's using a saw to cut some wood. I'm not exactly sure. That's what it sounded like. All right, let's move along. Oh, he is working. Hey. Check it out. This is the Wynn employee parking lot, and you notice they got an eye in the sky, well, a couple eyes in the sky, to make sure that nothing goes wrong. And those things are monitored because when the guard saw me on the property, I asked him how did he find me, and he pointed to the stars, well, up in the sky. So, oh, I see. All right. Hey, buddy. I think that may just about do it for the MSG Sphere at the Venetian. This is your old pal, OneManOneCamera, saying thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that button, hit that bell, so you don't miss any of these glorious videos produced by moi. Raiders Stadium, Raiders HQ, construction sites around Las Vegas, and occasionally the whatnots, my little ride around videos, which I really enjoy doing. All right, you guys, like I always say to me outside, say hello back, take care. Wherever you happen to be, have a great day. Cheers.